Alright, welcome guys. So here I got the VLAND taillights for the GR86. I got it from this eBay seller right here, and it was around $350 shipped total for these tails. And one of the things I did, there were a couple things that you need to know. I did have to buy aftermarket screws for the tail light bracket, the top piece that you have to remove with the T20 Torx. So the screw is too small to go in, so I had to buy replacements from the hardware store. And then I did the test fitting, and these were the ones that fit best for me. So these are what I use. So you might, if there's a better size, I recommend get something with sort of like a washer at the end of it, so it can hold on to that bracket, so it has some sort of lip to hold that in. So that's what the screw looks like there. All right, and the second part, which I didn't know this, but it actually comes with a jumper harness. So this plugs from the VLAND taillight harness into your USDM OE connector. So it's a direct plug and play. You don't have to repin. Unfortunately, if you don't get this jumper harness, don't worry. So luckily there's a user on Reddit that I ran into, as a Ravenous MC. He found out, he came into the same issue, and this is what it looks like if you don't have the harness connected. And then when you boot up, as you can see, the right side light, it looks like it's lit orange instead of red. And I'm doing the turn signals here. See, it hyper flashes on the very corner. So this is what the harness looks like. That's not correct. I used this pin remover, and I swapped the green and the yellow. So you can do that if you didn't get a jumper harness. You can just do that. There's little tabs inside of the connector. You just push up with the de-pinning tool, and you pull out and just swap them. That's it. And they'll snap right in. But yeah, other than that, that's really all you had to do, and everything else was a breeze. Everything plugged right in. So here are the final results, just some comparisons. So that's currently what I'm running right now, and I'm personally running with everything connected. So I like just the regular flashers, no boot up sequence. I just like it old school, just come on and go. But overall, I really love the OEM Plus look of these taillights and how they pair up with the AlphaRex Trunk Light bar. Even with the boot up sequence, it looks like they just go really well together. So yes, huge shout out. Great product, great price too. I think great value for what you're getting. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.